We've got a huge number of staff involved, thousands in a big event like the one we've seen this November. We'll have staff out on the ground, and we're working in the field, clearing trash screens. So you've got all the staff out on the ground doing that work. You've got a lot of coordination roles in our incident rooms. We also work to brief government, brief the media, so it does take a huge resource. And we work with communities as well, so we make sure that we go out, talk to the community, actually talk to the people that have been flooded or about to flood, and make sure that they know the latest situation in their area. Partnership work is the key to all of this. At the planning phase, we work with our partners, emergency services, local authorities, health protection agency and others to make sure that we understand what to do when we have to respond to a flood, so that we can respond well together and reduce the risk of flooding before it happens. That way, when we respond, we're ready to provide the best possible response. And at the national level, we're working with government, DEFRA, all the time to make sure that our plans are fit for purpose. We work with the Met Office really closely. We've got the Joint Flood Forecasting Centre based in Exeter. We've got hydrologists from the Environment Agency working with meteorologists from the Met Office. So the Met Office can provide the information on the weather, the expected rainfall. We translate that into what's going to happen on the ground. And it's a great partnership that's really paid dividends in recent years. Well, there's a whole load of work we have to do with communities after flooding. It doesn't end when the flooding stops. In many ways, that's the beginning of a long journey for most of those communities and for a lot of our teams. So we go out, we talk to the community, understand what happened. We use the information that they provide us to help us to redevelop our models and our mapping to make sure that it's ready for future floods. We help the communities to recover as best we can, and we get them to sign up to flood warnings if they're not already registered. We'll also work with communities to help them develop flood plans and to help them generally to be prepared for if it happens again.